So, you've got an idea for a trademark, but you're worried someone else might have thought of it already. Don't worry, it actually is really easy to check. Let's start with the Trademarks Register. Basically, it's a public register where you can search for existing trademarks. Using Trademark Check, you can see if something similar to your idea is already protected in New Zealand. If it is, you may have to go back to the drawing board or obtain some professional advice on your next steps. You may still be able to protect your mark if your business isn't in the same industry as the existing mark's business. Note that Trademark Check doesn't look at existing trademarks in other countries, so keep this in mind if you're considering exporting goods or services overseas. Trademark Check was designed to guide you through a searching process, and the best news is it's freely available and you don't even need an account to use it. So, how do you find it? Just head to the IPONZ website. You'll find big trademark section on the homepage so you don't have to go searching. Once you've made it to the Trademark Check, you'll be given two search options: Word or Slogan Check and Logo or Image Check. The Word or Slogan Check lets you enter words or a slogan between 3 and 50 characters and run a search for you to see what else is out there that's similar to what you've typed. If it's a visual you're checking, the Logo or Image Check is where you want to be. This is the one that lets you upload your image and then runs the search. The tool suggests features of your image to help you narrow down your search a bit further too. Let's say you don't have your image ready to go. Just skip this step and pick a few key features. You'll also be able to choose goods and services classes to get even more specific with your search. Just click Select Good or Service Class and you'll get a list of industry categories. Generally speaking, the more results you find, the more popular your idea is, and the harder it will be to trademark. The thing is, you won't know for sure whether your trademark will be accepted or not until a trademark examiner has taken a look at it. Maybe you want to reach out to a designer to take your idea to the next level. You can download a PDF of your search results to take with you to keep your trademark unique. If you don't have time or you just want a hand with the process, the Intellectual Property Office of New Zealand can do a check for you for a small fee. Take a look at the search and preliminary advice info on the IPONZ website for more details. And happy trademark searching! Still have questions? The Intellectual Property Office of New Zealand is open between 8:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. For less urgent matters, you can head to the Contact Us page on the IPONZ website. We should be in touch within 7 working days. The Contact Us page also has a common queries section, so be sure to check this out in case it addresses your question or concern.